Hey geology students, do you also want to ace your preparation for CUET entrance examination for undergraduate 2024? Yes? So Sourav Sir Classes welcome you to its relevantly amazing crash course for the entrance examination students who are appearing in 2024 for UG courses. Now, geology is a subject wherein you will study topics like home settlements, people, locations, and many other. So this is really a diverse, diversified topic with a lot of details, and this needs a lot of clarifications and understanding, and most importantly, conceptualized and planned curriculum. So our teachers at Sourav Sir's classes have detailedly analyzed the whole syllabus for the CUET entrance examination, and they have simplified it for you all to have a better understanding. Okay, so you can avail our PDF notes, our designed curriculum specially curated for better understanding for the students, mock test sessions, selective past year question papers and practice sessions, also 24/7 query assistant guidance with our crash course, which is only and only for limited number of students. So students, please do not delay and book your seats. Enroll with us at Sourav Sir's classes with the help of this website or by contacting us to this WhatsApp number or even giving us a short call. Okay, so we're just a call away. Do not hesitate and roll your sleeves up and buckle up and ready with some punches and shots of caffeine and sleepless nights, and crack this CUET entrance examination with flourishing marks. Thank you.